We just got engaged!
And now it's time to celebrate, but we need your help to do it the right way.
We both work corporate jobs, but one of our favorite things to do together is brainstorm business ideas together.
We both come from families of entrepreneurs, so we've always had that itch to create something of our own.
And something that we love most is bringing people together to celebrate life's biggest moments.
On a recent road trip to Charleston, South Carolina for a wedding, we had our light bulb moment. A mobile bar that would serve coffee, cocktails, beer, and wine.
And when we started researching what we need to bring this business to life, we quickly realized Coldbreak's Jockey box was absolutely essential.
When researching on your website, we noticed this giveaway had just launched, and the timing seemed too good to be true.
Winning this Jockey box would be a huge step in launching our mobile bar business and making our dream a reality.
Right now, we're in our engagement season, celebrating with family and friends, but we need your help to take our business to the next level. Our business would serve couples, weddings, showers, and more.
This will be a game changer for us, looking to bring people together, one drink at a time. Coldbreak team, let's make it happen.
Cheers.
Cheers.